You've seen the pitch. Press a button, let ChatGPT write a script, and watch the passive income roll in. But while that fantasy sells courses, the reality is far more clinical. Thousands of copy-paste channels are watching their revenue dashboards drop to exactly zero. This shift is driven by the July 15, 2025 update. YouTube's algorithm now actively hunts for the markers of inauthentic, repetitious content, specifically targeting videos that provide no unique value beyond a basic AI summary. The fallout has been immediate. The platform is systematically removing monetization from channels relying on generic slideshows and hollow scripts. It forces a difficult choice. Would you risk a permanent channel strike for the chance to build a $10,000 monthly income? This purge is clearing the digital landscape, creating a massive opening for a more disciplined approach to content. The automated systems that remain are the ones built on a foundation of real data. As the low-effort channels disappear, they leave a vacuum in the most lucrative corner of the platform: personal finance and investing. Advertisers in banking and fintech pay a premium to reach high-intent viewers. In this niche, CPMs, the rate paid per 1,000 views, consistently range between $28 and $45. Claiming this real estate requires more than just avoiding penalties. It requires building a system that the algorithm recognizes as high-value, original research. Most AI-driven channels fail because they start with a generic prompt. When you ask a chatbot to write a script about the stock market, it generates a predictable pattern of text that triggers YouTube's spam filters almost instantly. The engineered creator workflow solves this by using Google's NotebookLM to process raw, institutional data. Instead of letting the AI guess, you feed it primary sources like BlackRock's private market reports. The AI acts as a specialized research assistant, synthesizing dense reports and extracting specific data points to build a structured narrative. Basing every line on institutional data ensures a unique script. This anchors the content in verifiable facts, satisfying the requirement for original commentary. External data sources transform the AI into a high-precision research tool, maintaining a level of depth that generic scripts simply cannot replicate. Even with perfect data, the video still has to hold attention. In the financial niche, stagnant visuals cause a rapid drop in viewer retention. To maintain a high visual pace, the script is broken into identical 20-word blocks on a grid. Each block is assigned a specific video tag or cinematic AI prompt, removing guesswork and ensuring visuals remain sharp. You can deploy a hyper-realistic digital avatar to serve as the host. This provides an authoritative, documentary-style presence without needing a physical studio. The system syncs narration from Google AI Studio to the avatar's lip movements with millisecond precision. If you weren't looking for subtle markers of AI, could you tell this presenter isn't human? Systematizing the visual grid and the digital host allows you to produce high-retention content at a scale that traditional studios cannot match. The final assembly happens in CapCut, where the verified voiceover, the 20-word visual blocks, and the digital avatar are layered into a single project. Adding kinetic cyan subtitles, a layer of film grain, and soft dissolves gives the raw AI outputs a professional, documentary aesthetic. This historical ticker machine shows the physical labor that used to be required to track market data. Today, that manual effort is being replaced by automated digital assets. The creator behind the system maintains total privacy while running a channel that the YouTube algorithm is designed to reward with high ad rates. The 2025 update has created a divide in the market. On one side, low-effort channels are fading out. On the other, creators using rigorous, data-driven workflows are seeing record engagement. The tools are free, and the methodology is accessible to anyone willing to move past generic prompts. Mastering this data-anchored architecture is the only way to lead the 2026 creator economy.